We can try out some questions here. The first question we have here says a stone tied to a string is made to revolve in a horizontal circle of radius 4 meters. So we'll just try out, write arrow equal to 4 meters. Then with an angular speed of 2 radian per second, angular speed omega equal to 2 rad per seconds. Now they now told us with what tangential velocity will the stone move off the circle. So they are telling us to find v. You see the way I wrote everything out now. So you will now come here and say that you're looking for v. Remember, what's the formula for v? I said before. I said v equal to omega arrow. So you can just come here and say omega now is 2, then arrow is 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. What's the unit of v? Meter per seconds. So our answer is 8 meter per seconds. You understand? Just know that v equal to omega arrow. Then for question 2, a body weighing 100 newtons moves with a speed of 5 meter per seconds. Now they gave you weight to be 100 newtons. They gave you speed v to be 5 meter per seconds in a horizontal circular part of radius. Now they gave us radius to be 5 meters. And say calculate the magnitude of centripetal force. They gave us FC. They said we find FC. Now they didn't give us M. You know that FC is either equal to mv square over arrow or m omega square arrow. Now in this case, we're not giving m, but we're giving weight. Now take note that weight is equal to mg. And if weight is equal to mg, g is always equal to 10 meter per second square. So meaning that we can just say weight over g equal to m. And now we can say 100, which is our weight, divided by 10, which is going to give us m. And m equal to 10 kilograms. So if m is 10 kilograms, we can now come here. Fc is what they told us to find. So Fc is going to give us, Fc is going to be m. Now they gave us m v square over arrow. So it's going to give us m, which is 10 times v square, which is 5 square, over arrow, which is 5. This is 10 times 25 over 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 5. And here we can say that Fc is equal to 50 newtons. Just check this out. So first things first, the first one gave us radius. They gave us radius and they gave us angular velocity. Told us to find tangential velocity. So we just come here v equal to omega arrow, and we get our values, multiply them by each other, we get 8. For this other one, they gave us weight. So they gave us radius. They gave us tangential velocity. They always say we find the centripetal force. So you just come here, Fc equal to mv square over arrow or m omega square arrow. But they didn't give us our value of m there. So they gave us weight to be 100. So you just place your value of weight there, and when you place your value of weight, weight equal to mg, then 100 over 10, and you now get your m. So from here, and after getting your value of mass, you can now place your mass here. Place w, you don't have w, so you have v squared there. Then you now divide by arrow, and you get your value of your fc to be 50. Then also this last question, which we are going to solve here, question says an object of mass, they gave us mass to be 5 kg, moves around a circle of radius 6 meters. If the period is pi seconds, they give us period to be pi seconds. Calculate the force towards the center, Fc. So in this case, to us to find Fc, remember Fc is equal to mv square over arrow or m omega square arrow. Now if we're having this now, they gave us t. So remember, we have omega is equal to 2 pi f, or is equal to 2 pi over t. So if omega is equal to 2 pi over t, they already gave us t to be pi. So 2 pi over pi and 1, pi and 1. So we have omega equal to 2 rad per seconds. Now, if I've gotten omega to be 2 rad per seconds, what will you do now? As a smart student, you just come here. Fc equal to m omega square arrow. So m, which we already have to be 5, times omega square, omega which is 2 square, times arrow, which we have here to be 6. So this is giving us 5 times 4 times 6. What was 5 times 4 times 6 is 24. So 24 times 5 It's giving us 120 newtons. And that's our value of our centripetal force to be 120 newtons. So we can take this as our value, 120 newtons. Take note of that.